butter. Now it's frozen solid. So I'm going to take and throw 2 of these in the microwave. Now what I'm going to do is, the amount of cookie dough that I need is 2 pounds 4 ounces. So I'm going to weigh as I go along and see if I get there. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so I'm going to throw these in the microwave and soften them. All right, so I've got my scale tared here, and I got my 1 cup of butter. Hopefully that's soft enough. And my sugar. And my brown sugar. And, oh, seriously? Stupid phone. I don't know why it is flopping all over. Okay. I did not know. What the heck is going on? Okay. All right. Well, if I was upside down, sorry guys. Okay. So now, oops, just so you guys are wondering, 1 lid here. Did you know that 1 lid is, I think it's a half a teaspoon, or is it a teaspoon? Let's see. Okay, so there's 1 lid. Yeah, it's a teaspoon, basically. So basically, it's like 3/4 of a teaspoon. So for vanilla, that's fine. So just so you know, that's how much the lid is. Shout out to Hobby Lobby for my new measuring spoons that I love. Okay, got my vanilla. Oh yeah, okay, so now we're supposed to beat all that together. All right, so I got that. Now I got my eggs and baking soda and a touch of salt. All right, now I mix all this in first, and then I add my flour. This recipe's in my Dining on a Dime Cookbook, Volume 2, on page 294. You can take a picture right here, or take a picture of the QR code, or follow the link in the description below to get the recipe. All right, and then 1/4. Ooh, okay, so this is super close. So it's supposed to be 2 pounds 4 ounces, and I'm at 2 pounds right now. Oh, and I don't have my chocolate chips in, so I'm gonna beat this in. I'm using mini instead of big chocolate chips, but it's still 12 ounces, so that gives me 2 pounds 13 ounces. So what I'm gonna do here, take out until I get to 2 pounds 4 ounces. I'll just cook these separately. 4.1. 1 is close enough. Okay, so I got 2 pounds 4 ounces in here. So now here's the question. Let's see if it will fit in this tub. I am curious if it will fit in the tub. Probably, I would assume. Okay, now just to make sure I'm like ultra kosher. Get all this out. Okay. So that looks like, yes, that does look like it fit in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to smush this, and just to make sure that it's all exactly the same, I am going to get this all together. It was sort of like in the center here, all nice. And I'm going to refrigerate this until it's firm, and then I will bake it. Okay? This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. Here is the Toll House dough on this side. Now, this is slightly higher than this. This is the homemade, this is the Toll House. This is the Toll House recipe, this is the homemade. Now, the only thing is, when I put it in the oven, I think I accidentally slid it, and this side here bumped up against the edge of the cookie sheet. So I think this maybe didn't spread quite as far because this edge got bumped up against the cookie sheet. Not positive on that, but quite frankly, I don't feel like remaking it. They are pretty close to each other. Now this homemade version did take and get browner than the Toll House. Why? Because this has real butter in it and this just has vegetable shortening in it. Yeah, palm oil, soybean oil instead of butter. So that's why this is more brown. That's probably also why the texture is better on this one, because shortening always makes the texture of baked goods a whole lot better. So here's the conclusion. So here's what they look like in the end. You want to see the back, the chocolate. This does have way more chocolate chips than the Toll House version. And when I asked ChatGPT, it said that it thought that it had Toll House. I'll go back and double check, but I think that it was, this has 30% less chocolate chips than the homemade recipe. So that would make sense.